Look at this field. The farmer has put in a lot of effort to plow and level the field. Now the field is ready to welcome the seed. But instead of sowing the seeds in the soil, the farmer has put the seeds in water. Why did he do that? Good quality seeds are expensive, and the process of growing them is very tedious. So, the farmer wants to ensure that all the seeds are capable of germination. Let's learn about the process of seed selection and how they are sown. When growing crops, selection of seeds is crucial. As the final crop quality depends primarily on the quality of the seeds. This farmer placed the seeds in water to separate the bad ones from the good ones. So which of these seeds are the bad seeds? The ones that sank or those that float? The floating seeds are the bad seeds. Sometimes insects infest seeds. They eat parts of the seeds, making them hollow. As hollow seeds are lighter, they rise and start floating. The good seeds, or the ones that sank, are then sown in the plowed field. Seeds of kharif crops are sown at the onset of the monsoons. And rabi crop seeds are sown before the winter sets in. Traditionally, seeds were sown manually by sprinkling them in a plowed field. This method of seed sowing is called broadcasting. This method can hinder plant growth. Do you know why? When seeds are sprinkled, their distribution is not uniform. Some seeds may fall very close to each other. As they begin to grow, they will compete with each other for space, sunlight, water, and nutrients. Only those plants which receive adequate nutrition will grow, while the less fortunate ones will wither and die. Additionally, when seeds are sprinkled, they do not get sown at the right depth and are left uncovered. This allows birds to feed on them. The seed drill is a more efficient tool for sowing seeds. There are two types of seed drills, a traditional one pulled by bullocks and the modern variant pulled by tractors. This is a traditional seed drill common among Indian farmers. It is made up of a funnel attached to a long pipe with a sharp and narrow base. The seed drill is attached to a plow pulled by a pair of bullocks. The narrow end of the pipe is pushed into the soil till it reaches the appropriate position for the seed being sown. As the bullocks move, the farmer puts seeds into the funnel. They pass through the long pipe and are sown in the field. After the seeds are sown, a leveler is used to cover them with soil, thus protecting them from birds. The traditional seed drill has been enhanced with the creation of one that has several pipes. The seed drill is tractor-driven, and because it has multiple pipes, it sows several rows of seeds uniformly at a single go. After the seeds are sown, the seed drill covers them with soil for protection from birds. This device saves time and effort. The seeds of some plants, such as rice, tomato, and aubergine, are not sown directly in fields. These seeds are planted initially in individual pots in a nursery. Do you know why they are planted in a nursery? Just as preschool children are prepared in a nursery school for primary schooling, these seeds are planted in a nursery, where they are protected as they germinate into seedlings. The seedlings are then manually transferred into the field, where they grow into full-fledged plants. This process of transferring seedlings from a nursery to the field is called transplantation.